So how high should you set your skid shoe? On a concrete driveway or gravel driveway? Should your scraper touch the ground? What setup and height adjustment will apply to any two-stage snowblower? Now let's get the skid plate height set up, and welcome to MG Factor. For concrete asphalt driveway surface, based on my knowledge and most user manual recommend setting the skid plate higher up, but doing so will lower the auger housing and your scraper will touch the ground and will scrape off everything, but eventually it will start scratching and you will see damage to your auger housing. Let's see how a damaged scraper looks like. Now look at my driveway. My driveway is made up of asphalt and it is not smooth by any means. So I put a decent gap between driveway and auger housing to stop any scraping of my auger housing. Now lift a snowblower to measure the right height. Take 2 pencils or similar item. Most of these pencils are 1/4 inch thick. Make sure your snowblower is sitting on a labeled floor. Now lift the one end of the blower and place 1 pencil at each end. It will compress the pencil a little bit, but nothing to worry about. Place your skid shoe, and before you do that, do spray the surface with fluid film or any rust inhibitor. These areas are prone to rust as the moisture gets stuck between the skid plate and the auger housing. One extra step really helps your snowblower and protect it from any rust building up. Now place your skid plate at the right height. Don't forget to put the washer and then tighten it up. Now repeat the same process at the other side of your snowblower. Don't forget to spray any rust inhibitor. Place your skid plate at the same height as at the other side. And also don't forget to wear gloves to protect your hand. If you find the video helpful, I request you to please hit the like button. Thank you. Most skids are two-sided, and if the bottom is completely scraped, flip them. This will prevent damage to your auger housing and do the job well. Now remove the pencil from the bottom, and you will see there is a gap, a substantial amount of a gap which definitely helped my snowblower. Has it really helped? Let's test that. Put a flashlight behind the auger housing and you will see the light passing through. This means that there is substantial amount of gap between the auger housing and the driveway, and this will really help my snowblower and auger housing from scraping on the driveway. Always refer to your owner's manual to see any specific needs or recommendation on the height setting. Even the manufacturer does not recommend setting it all the way down. This will lift off all the snow but will eventually damage it. If you have a more uneven surface and bumps, I will set the scraper at about 1 inch spacing. It is very specific to your need depending on how your driveway is. You can use a screwdriver or a piece of wood. The process remains the same. Lift a snowblower, put the wood at both the ends and adjust your skid shoe. Don't forget to put the rust inhibitor in both the situations. If you want to go even higher, use 2x4 wood block that will give you 1.5 inch of thickness. And always refer to your owner's manual to see any specific needs or recommendation on height. Remember, the parts are expensive, so protecting them saves money. You can search on Marketplace and look for some heavy-duty skid plates. Look for some specific measurement before ordering, and don't forget to spray that area before putting your skid plate. If you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.